Okay, hello, welcome to the channel. So here we have the Type-C 9-in-1 hub, 9 connections for your one USB Type-C port. The link will be in the description. Many connections for your laptop. In this case, I'll be using it for my recording, and I have many accessories connected to it. So this is the adapter that I will be using. Type-C 9-in-1 hub, a much needed accessory hub. So let's open it up. Here we have the user manual of the device here. Connection is a USB Type-C. Here it tells you more in detail the types of connections from USB Type-C, USB 3. You could also put an SD card slot. And the more specifications, more detailed instructions. Let's check it out, see how it looks. Nice good finish. Cord's a good size. See the ports, USB 2 to USB 3 as well, and another USB Type-C. Here we have the HDMI port, other USB ports from USB 3 to USB 2, and here we have the USB Type-C connector where you plug it in, and I will show where I'll be plugging it in for my devices. This comes in the box, 9-in-1 USB Type-C hub. So here is my hub. As you can see here, this is the hub here. I'm currently using 1, 2, and 3. It's connected to this last port in my Mac Studio. You can see all ports are being used at the moment. Ethernet here, coming directly to the Mac Studio, and the HDMI cable here. And I also have another one if I need one here, which is good. I'll close it up with the cap so nice and secure, dust free, as well as here. Yeah, there is my useful, and it's being held on to the ports here, so it's nice. It's being nice and holding there. Quite a mess underneath, but it works, and yeah, it looks good for my 9-in-1 hub. And yeah, always so good to have more ports. And so when you need to add more accessories, then you have the option to do that. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.